Rifle. 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 Noun. Definition: a gun, especially one fired from shoulder level, having a long spirally grooved barrel intended to make a bullet spin and thereby have greater accuracy over a long distance. Example: a hunting rifle. Verb. Definition: make spiral grooves in a gun or its barrel or bore to make a bullet spin and thereby have greater accuracy over a long distance. Example: there are 4 basic ways to rifle a gun barrel. Verb. Definition: hit, throw, or kick a ball or puck hard and straight. Example: he rifled a hard, rising shot from just inside the blue line.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.